satisfying on your part if you sit down over a cup of coffee with somebody who can talk just about anything under the sun. Okay, so we're looking at a nurse who is not only academically qualified, but who can talk anything under the sun, be it in nursing or outside of nursing, be it political situations in the country, be it the election in America, who's gonna win, Barack Obama or McCain, something like that. Very updated. Are you into it? Are you into it? Pinafollow niyo noon? I was like hooked to my computer news during the Clinton Obama race, no? Bakit Clinton kasi ako eh. And I'm like wanting really to follow every inch of the way. And then when she lost, I found myself unknowingly and unintentionally analyzing why she lost. I'm not a political person. I'm not even her strategist. But I'm like, she started very well, but she lost at the end of the race. And that is a food for thought for us that even in the news that we deal with every day of our lives, there must be some critical thinking on our part because we can always adapt it to our own individual locality. We started strong. Why did we end up with a whimper, something like that? Or is it better to start slowly, and end with a bang? You know? Or start strong, hula-baloo, lahat, and then just die down. So let me go back. Characteristics of a leader. First, appropriate knowledge. Number two, experience. Kahit marami kang mga doctorate degree, kung wala kang clinical experience, back up. I don't think for me. Do not get me wrong on this. Hindi ko believe. Kahit marami kang academic qualifications, but if you don't have to